.NET Core versus .NET Framework. What is the difference between .NET Core and .NET Framework? .NET Core is a open source cross-platform framework for building applications, which is open source and cross-platform. Whereas .NET Framework is mainly for Windows and which doesn't run on other operating systems. So main thing, cross-platform. So .NET Core runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux. This allows developers to build applications that can be deployed across various environments. So whereas this .NET framework runs only on Windows, making it uh, for not cross-platform. So whereas open source, since .NET Core is a open source, so it is managed on GitHub. This can encourage the community to contribute and do the collaboration. So, but .NET Framework mainly, it's not as open source mainly, and few are available on open source. It's managed by Microsoft. And the .NET Core, we have a modular design with the NuGet packages allowing developers to include their own libraries, which can lead smaller application sizes, whereas framework, which is more monolithic. So meaning applications usually include a large set of libraries, regardless whether they are used or unused, we have to use there. So the performance .NET Core offers better performance and scalability, particularly for web applications. It's designed with high performance scenarios in mind. So whereas framework, so here there is a performance concern because not match or optimization found in .NET Core. So here we'll see the performance impact in framework. So now API surface like .NET Core has subset of APIs available like .NET Framework with some newer APIs. So framework, wide range of libraries for API, especially for desktop applications and legacy systems. And deployment .NET Core supports side-by-side versioning and allowing multiple versions to run at a time. Whereas framework, one version at a time, we can deploy. Whereas applications models like .NET Core supports modern applications like ASP.NET Core for web applications, microservices, console application framework, mainly built for WinForms, WPF, desktop applications.